I just got the FedEx notification that it has arrived 2 days early. Let's go and check it out. Well, hopefully my neighbors won't mind. Where is it? Where is it? I don't see it. This is it. It apparently was shipped to my folks' address. But I just got here this evening and we are going to be opening this up now. So here it is, guys. Finally, I know I don't normally do review videos, but I have done them in the past on this channel. And I have the Galaxy Fold 3 5G, the newest Samsung phone. I had to go to my folks, so I accidentally had to ship there. Now this is my first time unboxing it. I already pre-cut it with the scissor. This is my first time taking a look at this phone with all of you. So I'm gonna open this up and we are gonna see what comes with the phone. I did get a free faux leather case, brown color, and a pen because I pre-ordered this phone, so they gave me a discount. And I'll be comparing it to size-wise with my Galaxy S20 Ultra. But I got this phone for my mom, actually. Is this too much hardware for my mom? Maybe. She has the Note 9, she's been needing an upgrade, that phone. So it's time we traded that in. That's why I got the discount and all this free gizmos with it. And let's get into this. Look at this. What is this? Look at this. This is what this thing comes in. So it's just this tiny little box here. It's pretty tiny. It's not very big, not much bigger than my hand, which I'm surprised by. This is probably the smallest box I ever got a Galaxy phone in. And we're gonna unbox this and then wrap it all up because I'm gonna give it back to my mom as a present to her. Just because her birthday is coming up, but because this is an early birthday gift, you know I'm gonna have to get her another birthday gift. So here we go. Let's open this up. Look at this. Here's the pen that I got. Got this pen for free again, like I said, because I pre-ordered it. Okay, and then it came with a leather case. We picked the brown color one, and I didn't want to get her black because my phone's black and we tend to mistake our phones together all the time because these Samsungs look so similar. Although I have a feeling this phone's going to stand out. This one, she'll know it's hers. It comes with a little kickstand. I'll open these up later because you hopefully turned into this video to see the cell phone and not its gadgets. And let's pull out the phone. Here it is. This is the most sleekest box I've ever seen a cell phone come in. Normally my phone boxes are like, if you've gone a Samsung, they're kind of fat. This is very skinny, very sleek. Now we get to see this phone. Oh my goodness, look at this. We can compare the screen size to my S20 Ultra. Now opening this box, I don't even see a bend in the phone. I mean, there's like no bend, look at that. Zero bend. I think if you hold it from the side, you see, no, I don't see any bend right now on the phone at all. No bend. I'll turn the phone on so we can compare it to screen size because it's tough to see black on black like this. We're gonna pull this out right here. Inside the box is just a little accessory box. Let's pull that out and see what accessories come with it. So that's it. That's all's in the box. I tried to lift this up, but it's glued to it. So actually, that's all that comes with the phone these days. I think the S20 Ultra at least came with a brick and some headphones maybe. I don't even know if it came with the headphones or an adapter. This one, that's it. Just comes with a USB-C to C. That's it. Nothing else is with it. We're gonna take these covers off, but right here in the back, you can see it has 3 cameras, a little flash on the bottom. Very simple. You'll see a USB-C over here and then speakers at the bottom. So let's take this cover off. Well, let's first turn it on before we take the cover off. Hopefully this has some juice in the phone. Yep, here it is, it's coming on. And we're gonna take this, oh, look at that. It comes on even on the back here. So it's on the back here and the front here. Look at that. Pretty neat. Didn't know that. See, you didn't know it's coming on both sides. I'm gonna take this plastic off, which we'll put back on. I think it was a little dark here. And you know what? Once you take this little dark film off, I'm realizing that's what was coming to bend. Now you can see the bend actually. On a black dark screen, you can now see the bend. So Samsung's trying to trick you a little right there. They want you to open a box and see no bend, but you see that bend a little bit? Is it distracting? When you're looking at it flat on a dark screen, you can see it. When an image is on it, you don't really see it. So it's not bad. Here's the phone setup. I'm gonna go through the phone setup real quickly. Okay, I can copy apps and data. That took a while, the previous game from my previous phone. I'll do that later. Finished. Oh, man. Look at this, dude. This is massive. This is next level. All right, here we are. We finally made it to the main screen. Boom. What do you think about that? Can you see that? Is that pretty amazing? Is that a pretty big phone? Let's go ahead and show the main screen of S20 Plus Ultra versus this screen. But here you go. You see a screen size difference. The S20 Ultra is slightly longer, but definitely this has more width to it. It's about 2 inches larger. You can see the 3 cameras and what happens when we fold the screen. Let's check that out. Okay, it looks like I'm gonna break it when I do this. This is crazy. Never had a foldable phone like this. Besides flip phone. There it is. Menu opens up on this side, so you get essentially 2 screens with this. You see that? The focus in there. So it's a pretty thin screen, and comparing that to the S20 Ultra, of course, the S20 Ultra is wider, as you can see there, about a ½ inch wider. Will people want to use the phone like this? Yeah, it's not bad. Feels like you got some good weight in your hand. You know, you're holding something thick at least. You got the volume and the power buttons right here. If you can read, Samsung is right there. Can you read that? It's gonna focus in on that. There it is. It's kind of a little light, but you can see it's Samsung. I'm gonna load up YouTube real quickly. Speakers sound amazing. Very cool. Okay, it's cool. You're seeing it like this, but then, boom! Got yourself a big screen right there. I mean, I'm not gonna get too many technicals in the phone. You can always go to the website and compare the technicalities of the phone and what it does. But I mean, this is an Android phone. It's a fast Android phone. It's a Samsung phone. So if you're familiar with Samsung phones, it's like any other Samsung phone for the most part. So it has a new Android 11 in it, which is, you know, gonna give you all the features of a new Android phone. Does the fold, you can see the fold, you know, after you take that film layer off, you can see the fold. Is it gonna bug me? You can't see the fold much on a white screen. If it's flat on a white screen, Google right here, you really can't see the fold. It's more on the dark screens you see it. Like right here, flat, I'm looking, looks fine. Well, it feels like I'm using a gigantic phone. Look at that keyboard, how it comes split like that. That's pretty cool. First thing I searched, President Biden was the first one that came up. Yeah, this is perfect. I mean, you don't really notice a bend except mostly on dark screens. So that question is, all I'm playing like dark videos, is it gonna come up? Let me see if I play like a dark video. Am I gonna be distracted by it? This was pretty dark, let's see. Works amazing, it's an amazing phone. It's a cool phone, definitely cool technology. I'm sure my mom's gonna enjoy it. I'll let you know the longevity on this phone. Okay, this is gonna be next level when I show this to my mom. She's gonna be blown away. So they have a cool thing called director's view when you go to the options, and you can switch through each camera that they have. Here you can select. So you got the portrait camera, tough to do with one hand here. And then you got all 3 cameras you can select through, and it shows you which one you're on. So this of course is the closest one. Then you got the medium one right there. And then you got the far shot. Pretty nice. So you can decide which camera you want to use. So here we go, Mom. You ready for this?
Yeah. Oh wow, it's so big.
Look at it compared to your old phone. That's the phone. Have you seen the phone yet?
Oh, no.
Look at how big this phone is.
It looks like a tablet. Is that a phone? That's so. Are you serious?
Look at that. That's
so
your phone.
oh, wow. Mom, are you saying wow?
Can you handle all that hardware?
That's too much. It's like a tablet. Really like a tablet.
Yeah, I got it.
Amazing. How do you close it? How do you close it?
You can just fold it. Yeah, like that. Yeah, fold it. Go ahead. It won't break it.
Wow.
And then you can watch it and see it like that. See, it folds. And then it has another screen on this side.
Is that the screen?
Yeah, I'll turn it on for you right now.
Oh wow.
Dad wants the
Where's
phone
the
now.
phone? What is all these things?
I truly hope you enjoyed this unboxing and semi-review on the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. If you did, you know, drop it a like the video, leave me a comment. Let me know if there's any other gadgets or anything you want to see. Do you want to see me do more reviews? Is this something you enjoyed seeing me do? Or do you prefer just going to Unbox Therapy and seeing his videos? Let me know, and I'll see you next time.